If you're wondering whether Lingocat Practice Speaking AI is the real deal or just another hyped up AI tool, stay tuned. Because in this video, I'll reveal 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about this software. And trust me, you'll want to stick around until the end. This AI is still fresh out of the gate, and it's got a lot of buzz for its potential to change the way we practice speaking. But is it truly the best just released AI software for improving your speaking skills? Let's dive in. First off, Lingocat has been making waves for its ability to simulate real-life conversations. For anyone trying to practice speaking a new language or sharpen their communication skills, this software takes a more interactive approach. Unlike traditional language apps that rely on repetitive, static exercises, Lingocat allows you to practice speaking with an AI that mimics real-life conversation flow. And yes, you can practice with different accents and dialects, which makes the experience much more dynamic. One of the standout features that sets Lingocat apart is its real-time feedback. As you speak, it provides instant corrections and suggestions, helping you improve your pronunciation, sentence structure, and even intonation. For beginners or those looking to push their speaking skills to the next level, this could be a game changer. This level of interaction is something many other AI language apps don't offer right out of the box. Another thing you'll want to know is that Lingocat's AI uses machine learning to adjust to your skill level. It's not a one-size-fits-all tool. Whether you're a beginner or more advanced, Lingocat tailors the difficulty of its prompts and responses to ensure that you're constantly being challenged. The more you use it, the smarter it gets about your unique speaking patterns and areas for improvement. If you're someone who values privacy, you'll be happy to know Lingocat takes data security seriously. All conversations and data you input into the platform are kept private. Unlike other apps that may sell or share your data, Lingocat uses encryption to ensure your information stays protected. This adds another layer of trust for users who are cautious about their personal data. As you might expect with any newly released AI software, Lingocat isn't perfect, and there are a few kinks to work out. Some users report that its responses can occasionally feel a little robotic, especially during more complex conversations. But to be fair, this is something that's likely to improve over time as the AI learns more about human interaction. Still, it's a great starting point for anyone who wants to practice speaking before diving into live conversations with a real person. Something that stands out with Lingocat is its ability to integrate with multiple platforms. You can access it on both desktop and mobile devices, making it super convenient to practice anytime, anywhere. Whether you're at home, commuting, or traveling, your practice session is always within reach. This level of accessibility gives it an edge over many other language tools that are more restrictive in terms of platforms. Lastly, Lingocat offers a completely free trial, so if you're curious, you can dive in and experience the AI firsthand without committing to anything. I've got the link in the description below so you can check it out risk-free. Now, if you've tried thousands of AI tools like I have, you'll know that finding one that actually delivers is rare. That's why I've curated a list of my recommended AI software in the description. These are tools I've tested and personally recommend, and yes, they're free to try. If you're serious about improving your speaking skills or just exploring AI, these are definitely worth checking out. So, if you're ready to explore what Lingocat has to offer and see if it fits your needs, click the first link in the description. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more reviews like this.